Since its introduction in 1989, the Mazda MX-5 Miata has become an icon among sports car enthusiasts. For those with a passion for the retractable fastback, we offer the Mazda MX-5 Miata RF. It's an ingenious design, with the sporty look of a fastback that transforms in seconds to a luxurious open-top roadster. The retractable fastback sits atop a vehicle that delivers the soul-stirring drive the Mazda MX-5 Miata has become known for around the world since its introduction 30 years ago. If you dream of owning the iconic sports car, discover the Mazda MX-5 Miata RF. A sports car as unique as the Mazda MX-5 Miata RF demands a unique fluidity between the interior and exterior. With the top closed, you experience a cabin as beautiful as the body. Everything crafted around the driver, in the way an ingenious 900-year-old Japanese tradition called Jinba Itai once defined the way a horse connected with its rider. It starts with bucket seats, designed to put you in the perfect driving position, alert and upright, yet relaxed and comfortable. To further dial in your driving position, a tilting, telescoping steering wheel is standard. For the ultimate in luxurious comfort, you can also choose red Napa leather and seat heaters with 3 different settings. The 3-spoke steering wheel, shift knob, and parking brake handle are all wrapped in leather. You get a piano black seat bar trim and body-colored upper door trim and a standard locking rear center console. Retract the roof, and every element is reborn to contribute to the pure joy of open-top driving in a 2-seat sports car, creating a sense of oneness between car, driver, and road. The body of the Mazda MX-5 Miata RF is where innovative engineering and artful design meet. The flowing lines of the adventurous evolution of the iconic Mazda MX-5 are always in motion, a visual language we call kodo, or soul of motion. Sleek, sinuous, sophisticated, long sloping hood. 17-inch aluminum wheels come in metallic black on the Club, or dark silver on the Grand Touring. Or choose the Brembo package on the Club manual transmission model to enjoy wheels in dark gunmetal finish and Brembo front brakes with red calipers. The standard LED headlights and taillights are angled to emphasize the athletic stance. The deep reflections of the paint accent the flowing lines. When the mood strikes, hold the switch, and the power retractable hardtop disappears effortlessly in about 13 seconds. It glides into the same compact space as the original Mazda MX-5 Miata soft top, an ingenious solution inspired by our soul of motion design philosophy. Every inch of the Mazda MX-5 Miata RF is designed to move body and soul. Taking the Mazda MX-5 Miata RF to the red line is a truly breathtaking experience. Gears are delivered with silky precision via a 6-speed manual transmission and short throw shifter. Or you can choose a 6-speed automatic with paddle shifters. The thrillingly responsive Skyactiv G 2.0-liter engine gives you 181 horsepower at the rear wheels at 7,000 RPM. Choose the manual transmission, and performance is dialed up even further, with standard limited slip differential, front shock tower brace, and sport-tuned suspension with Bilstein dampers. The continual evolution of the Mazda MX-5 Miata RF has resulted in a lightweight frame that provides the ideal weight-to-power ratio. All this, in combination with a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, means incredibly responsive handling. It also means an efficient EPA-estimated highway mileage of up to 35 miles per gallon. The thrill of the added performance is unmistakable. In keeping with its heritage of letting drivers make the most of the road, the Mazda MX-5 Miata RF features the Mazda Connect infotainment system. The multifunction commander control is simple, intuitive, and frees you to navigate between selections while keeping your focus on the road. Your selections are displayed on a 7-inch center screen. The captivating sound experience comes from an available premium Bose audio system that features 9 speakers, including driver and passenger headrest speakers and a subwoofer. An innovative speed-sensing automatic volume control adjusts the level to ensure crisp sound delivery throughout your drive. You will also experience the ultimate in mobile connectivity. Available Apple CarPlay integrations allow you to access your iPhone's compatible apps with your voice through Siri. Android Auto integration is also available. You can enjoy the road with the assurance that your Mazda MX-5 Miata RF is built with our latest safety features. It comes standard with iActive Sense safety technologies to support the driver in accident prevention. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert you with visual and auditory cues when a vehicle is approaching. When traveling at speeds of 2 to 18 miles per hour, Smart City brake support helps detect objects in the road and automatically applies the brakes if no action is taken. When traveling at speeds of 44 miles per hour or higher, the lane departure warning system gives you a combination of audible, tactile, and visual warnings when it detects that your vehicle is about to unintentionally depart from its lane. You also enjoy the protection of standard front airbags, side impact airbags, and side impact door beams. The body architecture of the Mazda MX-5 RF resists and absorbs impact energy to reduce the possibilities of injury in the event of an accident. Enjoy the twists and turns with confidence. Thrills by day, sleek sophistication by night. That's the Mazda MX-5 Miata RF. Discover it for yourself with a test drive.